Guten Morgen, Kinder. Willkommen zum Zahlenlernen. Okay, this is a video about how to count above the number 20. So we've learned 1 through 20 so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. But how do you tell numbers above 20? Specifically, we're learning so that we can tell time. Because when you tell time, you have to know up to the number 59, as in 11:59, 12:59, 2:59. So, first you need to know the tens numbers. Do you know what that means? The tens place value? That would be 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, up to 100. We get into the hundreds place value. So 20 in German is 20. Can you repeat after me? 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. You can also say 100, just like English, 100 or 100. Now, so you know the numbers 20 through 100 in the tens place value, you need to learn how to add the ones place value to make all the numbers between 20 and 30, 30 and 40, 50 and 60, and so on and so forth. There's a formula to do that, and that's over here. You have the ones place value, the word und, which means and the tens place value. And when we put all of that together, we can form a number above 20 between the tens numbers. So the ones place value coming first is very different from English, because in English, as you know, we write the tens place value first, as in 22. We have the tens place value 20, the ones place value 2 after, and we put a hyphen in between. We don't put the word and in between. We don't say 20 and 2. But in German, they put the word and in between, and they reverse the ones value and the tens place value. They switch them. So in German, to write 22, as you see on the other side, you would write 2 und 20, or 2 and 20, and it all goes together to make one new word. Okay, so again, you have the ones place value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Add the und, and then add the tens place value 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, or 90, and you have the number above 20. So let's do some practice problems. How would you write the number 27? Start with the 7. So we have sieben. Let's stretch that out. These words get kind of long. And add und, and our tens number 20. 27 is 27. Literally, I'm saying 7 and 20. Sounds weird to us, but sounds perfectly normal to a German. So 49, how would you write that? Well, one's number first. We have 9. Add the and, or und. 9 und. How do you say 40? Come over here. 40. 49. 9 and 40 is 49. 34 would be, you guessed it, 34. 34. So there's two ways I can write 30. I can write two S's, or I can write it with the S set like you see over here. You'll notice that 30 or 30 is the only tens number that doesn't have a ZIG. All the other ones have a ZIG, as in 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 30, for a reason I'm not sure of, takes the S set, which is also a double S. So you can write it either way. So 34 is 34. Now there will be a few problems for you to solve. After this, you'll be able to tell time anytime on the 24-hour clock from 12 midnight all the way to 11:59 p.m. Hope this helped. Auf Wiedersehen. Sorry about my doggy. Truce.